ancient tree, vibrating through the soul, setting spirit free. It's the rhythm of the soil, the blood of the earth, the sound of the universe before our birth. No words needed, just the frequency, aligning the heart with the mystery. Deep in the bone, deep in the vein, healing the sorrow, washing the pain. Ancient roots vibration, moving through the flow, opening the spirit, knocking on the door. Heavy is the bass, light is the soul. In this vibration we are made whole. From the valley of the kings to the mountain peak, it's the silent language that the wise men speak. A thundering bass like a lion roar, leading us back to the mystic shore. Let the ego dissolve in the heavy sound, where only the truth and the love are found. Suspended in time, floating in space, lost in the rhythm of the ancient race. Ancient roots vibration, moving through the floor, opening the spirit, knocking on the door. Heavy is the bass, light is the soul. In this vibration we are made whole. The vibration remains in every breath, in every cell. only the now. In the presence of rhythm, to the spirit we bow. A cosmic vibration, a spiritual drum, calling the children, and the children they come. It's the song of the atoms, the dance of the cell, breaking the limits of the physical shell. Infinite movement, a holy design. Your heart and the rhythm, they finally align. Eternal soul rhythm, never-ending flow. From the place where we come to the place where we go. Stay in the circle, stay in the light. The beat of desire, through the day and the night. The rhythm is you, the rhythm is I, everlasting, lasting, 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 lasting. Before the books were written, before the ink was dry, the truth was etched in stones beneath the open sky. I hear the elders calling from the dusty road, carrying the wisdom, sharing the heavy load. Words of silver, thoughts of pure gold, stories of the ages never growing old. Plant the seed of knowledge, water it with grace. Find your true reflection in the ancient faith. Wisdom of the elders shining like a star, reminding I and I exactly who we are. Rooted in the spirit, grounded in the truth. Legacy of ages from the Beyond the borders, beyond the skin, beyond the places where the wars begin, there is a pulse, a golden thread in every word that the Spirit said. It's in the atom, it's in the star. It knows exactly who we are.